Okay, this is question number 3, and we have to find all the real roots. So kind of remember that um, this index can be odd or even. So if it's even index and positive, that has two answers, like a plus minus answer. Sorry, this is not looking good there, but two answers. If it's even index with a negative, I don't know what I'm doing here. Even and positive is two answers. Even and negative is no real answers. Okay, and then the odd ones, if it's odd positive or odd negative, it always has one answer, right? The odd ones always have one solution. Okay, so out of our choices here, I guess all of them just have one. It's likely to be a negative number, right? Because this is a negative radicand underneath here. So it's just going to be one solution. And I would just use my calculator, right? So to do a third root, you type the 3 first. Then I'm going to hit math and this extra root key number 5. And then I'm just going to put it in parentheses. So I forgot the number already, but negative 125. It doesn't really matter where you put the negative sign. Divided by, let's see, 343. Close the parenthesis, hit enter. Okay, and my answers are all fractions here. So to turn it into a fraction, I'm going to go math and then fract number 1. That'll turn my previous answer into a fraction. So it's negative 5/7. Okay, and so we just have one answer, negative 5/7. Thanks for watching.